Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your enterprise with Oracle Cloud detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current IT infrastructure. Identify the specific needs of your enterprise. Evaluate the different Oracle Cloud services available. Choose which services align with your business goals. Develop a clear migration strategy. Create a timeline for the upgrade process. Assemble a team of skilled personnel for the project. Ensure they have a deep understanding of Oracle Cloud products. Begin with a comprehensive training program for your team. Conduct an in-depth analysis of your existing data. Decide on the best approach for data migration. Select tools and methodologies for a smooth transition. Perform a pilot test with a small volume of data. Monitor the performance and address any issues. Once confirmed, proceed with the full-scale migration. Integrate Oracle Cloud services with your existing applications. Implement necessary security measures during the transition. Establish a robust backup and recovery plan. Set clear performance metrics for evaluating success. Provide ongoing training for users post-upgrade. Encourage feedback to further refine processes. Regularly review and optimize cloud usage. Stay updated with Oracle Cloud innovations and features. Adjust your strategies based on evolving business needs. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within your enterprise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.